Electric field is created by a charge. Magnetic field is created by magnets. Gravitational field is created by mass. So if we have a mass body, certainly around it there is a space of influence. This is the gravitational field. If we say the space of influence, it means if in this space any other mass comes, so there is going to be interaction between these two mass bodies. When we say there is going to be interaction between these two mass bodies, it means there is going to be a force between these two bodies. And in case of gravitational field, this is always a force of attraction only. When we talk about electric field, that is once again there is space of influence, and if there is a charge, then certainly around it there is space of influence, and in this space if another charge comes, then once again the interaction happens. That is, there could be a force of attraction also and there could be a force of repulsion also. The same thing goes for the magnets. North and North Pole, they are going to repel each other, and North and South Pole, they are going to attract each other. So when we say the field, or when we particularly in this chapter we say gravitational field, so gravitational field is space of influence around a mass. So gravitational field is space of influence around a body because it has got some mass. And what do we mean by influence? We mean by influence, that is, over there if some mass comes, then there is going to be a force of attraction between these two mass bodies. Influence or interaction, that is primarily a force only. So because of mass we have gravitational field, because of charge we have electric field, because of magnet we have magnetic field. The two different kind of fields, they cannot interact with each other. Gravitational field can interact with gravitational field only, magnetic field can interact with the magnetic field only, electric field can interact with the electric field only. Though moving charges, they can establish magnetic field, but one field cannot interact with the other field. When we say a mass body has a gravitational field, it is primarily we are interested till what distance it can influence the other mass body. We certainly know that is F is equal to gmm by r square, universal law of gravitation. So it means the interaction between these two bodies is going to happen till r is less than infinity. As soon as r is infinity, then certainly gmm by infinity square, that comes out to be equal to 0, and as a result the force become equal to 0. It means if the two bodies, they are at a infinite distance apart, there is not going to be any interaction between the two, there is not going to be any force of attraction between the two. But any distance which is less than infinity, then there is influence of one over the other mass. To understand any field, generally we have two ways. We have scalar methods, we have vector methods. When we talk about the vector methods, we talk about the intensity or field strength. Like over here, we shall be talking about gravitational field strength or gravitational field intensity. Like in electrostatics, we talk the electric field strength or electric field intensity. And the scalar ways to understand the field is potential. Over here we talk the gravitational potential, and when we talk about the electrostatics, over there we talk about the electric potential. So we understand field in two ways. One, we have a scalar methods, and the other we have vector methods. In vector methods, in gravitational field, we shall be talking about the gravitational field intensity or gravitational field strength. And to understand the gravitational field in scalar methods, we shall be talking about the gravitational potential or gravitational potential energy. Let's understand first gravitational field strength or gravitational field intensity.